My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Gash. Gash is the ransomware that is from the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware encrypts files and appends a special Gash extension to the file names. Because of that, it is not possible to use the files anymore. My video, of course, is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I'll just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files. So before the ransomware attack, you're able to open your files without complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Gash ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. Then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their files anymore. All these files get damaged and encrypted, and this Gash extension is appended to the file names. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. Don't waste your money, don't pay that ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and eliminate all other threats which could possibly still remain on your computer. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. After the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating the system. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from the ransomware attacks with this anti-ransomware feature. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution for getting your files always protected. And you may find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.